Hello everybody, today we will be playing, oh, you guys know, Robo. Yay! I have not posted a single Robo question video, and I haven't played and showing you guys, I'm showing you guys, but I have a couple characters unlocked, just missing that, and this guy. It's a super bot, and I think this guy. I don't know what this guy is. And I got a ton of rushes to spend, so should just spend this. Max sometimes support. Yes. Nice. So that was spent pretty good. And I'm hoping to find some power crystals. I've only got one, because I don't really farm for power crystals. Gonna just play the game for fun, so I'm not really competitive. Shouldn't really take that much damage. I barely even took any damage. Took 2 damage actually. Okay, we're going into the glitch doors, guys. This is where you get some good chests. I'm gonna search up a tutorial on how to get gold. Let's see. Oh, digging spot. Yay! Bundlers. Oh, I actually need that, I think. Should that shovel. Shovel isn't. Well, actually, don't I need that for digging? I'll try that for this video. So I like these digging spots. They make my life kind of easier. Okay? Oh, I skipped all of those enemies. So just further back. You can go to query. Yeah. Okay, that's good. That's good. Hey, and they barely require 2 power cells. You don't need the melee guys. They're okay. I'm hoping we can get to the middle. Or maybe defeat the final boss. I was close to defeating Iris. Almost. The game. Not actually 100% of that game. I think I got 2 points. Yeah, I just feel like it, and also, I think they have some really like coins in it that you can actually like use things on it. Maybe like gift cards. Nice. What's that? That raptor is some cheese something, but I need to go look at this when it goes to the guy in the fields. So, really worked on that now. Still trying. Hopefully I can get a spare head. Which, if you don't know what that is, I think that's just an upgrade that you can get like from Shark and stuff. And it will give you like an extra life. And then it also gives you like extra max health. Double your max health. So that should be good if you get that. So I'm hoping we can just like, oh, we can upgrade the shovel. That's good. Okay. Be cool if the junk, there you could like dig up stuff and it would like give you wrenches. It could give you like some wrenches. That would be cool. But definitely wouldn't be like a major update, but it would be rad at that. Okay. Almost finished this block. Got that big guy. Turkey. Turkey. Moose. Skip all these. Yes. Very well. I'll come back for this. Use these. No! I'm not really trying to go for this. It does make the level harder, but that's not it's not too bad. Just makes it a little. I'm looking for sharks. Where is shark? Should just be like on one of the waterfalls. I think he's on one of the waterfalls, right? He's in one of the waterfalls that you go through, right? Wait. Oh, I could just look on my map. Oh no. So. This guy. Yes! Dang. We are pretty good. Not gonna lie. Wait, that was so cool. It gave me like an extra boost because I bonked on his head. Bonked him on his head. No. Just to finish. Guys. Finish it off. Yes. Thank you. I'm sweet home. And here. Slowly off. Am I not getting ace? S? Ace. Ace is the least of the helpful hard folks. I might not get an S, but hey, I'm not really here for the ratings. I'm kind of just here. I'm just trying to watch things. Just do some business. It's about my time, so it's not really. I'm gonna have to laugh for a few minutes, but that's why I'm making this like a short video. Shouldn't be too long. Maybe a little. So. You! I missed you! Oh, I need that powder. Why do you do this to me? Let's see. Billy Boom! Guys, it's Billy Boom! Billy Boom. It's just kind of my thing. Blowing up Billy Booms. Probably a Billy Boom son. It's probably gonna be dad. Be mad that I killed his dad. Yes, sir. Bye! Yeah, let's go. Let's have a swimming party. Let's go! We in the fields? Yes! Let's go. I like this guy. Reminds me of like one of the Star Wars characters. Like a Star Wars character. I can't see him. I don't know what he looks like. I don't really care about this speed. I just want to really get the stuff. I'll still do enemies. Do a couple things. So, wondering how to get the grappling head, but I need all the. Pretty sure I need all the power cells for that. Power crystals. The power cells. Power cells. Yes. Chunk of it. This beauty perfect already. Should I go to the Doom Garden? I think Doom Gardens. Dang. Only time I didn't just see. Okay. I need to spin this. I was thinking there might be like a secret back like here, like a data log. That would be kind of hard to find. Because you're just like, oh, why would I go back here? I thought there was a data log back there. Maybe not. I don't know really. Maybe that data log's up there, but I don't know how to reach that. So guess we're gonna find it. Come on. Get the enemies. Get the enemies. Save time. One last time I got like a millisecond off. I don't need to spin it. Let's still check these enemies. Teal crystal, yay! Let's go! Teal crystal. Now, I already got this key, but this Alfred bot, I don't know how to give him the battery thing. I should search it out. So I can go this way or this way. All the way up here. I think it was like an out. Okay. I'm gonna go through here. Last time we didn't go through. Go. Why did I use my block? I was gonna use it as I went in. Just don't be talking. Don't be talking. I'm good at this. Okay? Yeah, I'm totally good at this. Trash at it. Just kidding. I'm not actually too trash. Not to brag at it. I'm kind of better than you guys, probably. Get crushed. Oh! Easy. Out with you. Didn't know there was a data log up here. That's very cool. I love seeing after that. So, oh dear, I've set my camera with the worst robots everywhere. I guess I'm good at putting myself in trouble. If I'm lucky, I might be able to escape this hell through the secret passage I discovered earlier. That was the message. Maybe there's like a secret password for this. Maybe that was like a hint for some. Sure, I'll stop doing this. That was okay, well, so, gotta do that, and gotta die first, but, Hey, that's a part of the challenge. I'm not dead. You're not dead. We are dead. Cooked chat. Uncooked chat. Oh. 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 Hold that. Hold that. Hold that. Hold so many things. Probably so many things that I can't even count. So I don't screw off and let me go to the energy center. Let's go. Energy center, yay! Hi. I missed you. Here's a couple shoots in the face. Show how much I miss you. So okay, I'm gonna get that crystal, which I don't even know how to do. It's hard, bro. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna skip over all this. I don't really give it for that. Oh! Pop, 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 pop. What's the chain reaction? This is kind of for like maybe you can just kind of walk up. So I don't know what that is. Just don't be talking. I'm perfectly okay. No one needs to worry about it. No one needs to worry about what I'm thinking. Elephant. Elefanto. Elephant. Cucufanto elefanto. Elefanto. Cucufanto elefanto. I love the shoes. Look at my foot. Nope, 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 nope. Hold that, hold that. Hold so many things. Oh. Okay. I think we might actually be cooked. I'm so cooked. Like, I'm so cooked, I might as well be in an oven right now. I'm like burning on lava. I'm literally in a volcano, just burning. That's how cooked I am. I'm trying to get super, which I don't know if that's easy. Hello, George. And I already got this power crystal done. And I got this power crystal as well. Now, why do I keep on saying the power crystal? Wait, I thought I unlocked the freeze level. I swear I have freeze level. get it all soon. Won't have to get it all soon. But probably won't be posting 2 videos at once. But I'm gonna have to get off soon. Maybe to go eat dinner. It's probably done. I haven't made dinner, I don't think yet. I haven't made dinner. What's that? Oh, no. Oh, I'm so close. I'm so close. Please. Just need you to die. And everything will be okay. Nothing, this war will be against us. We don't have a war like this. If you just die. And here's our agreement. You die and I do nothing. And I can leave the level peacefully. Agreed? Agreed. Okay, nice. No, just don't attack for 5 seconds. And then let me just destroy your face. Faces are ugly either way, so now I'm getting even more destroyed. Bye. Bye. Oh my gosh, how many things do I have to fight? I'm hoping I can stay. Help! Sure. Man, that feels a bit. Bye guys. I don't really like this stuff. Last time I died, it was really painful because he has spike. The judge ball. Why did I think that was a dodge ball? No! Screw off! So hard. Yeah, I'll come. I'm. Yep.
Alright, love you, bye.
Yep. Sorry, that was my bad. I need to get off in a few seconds. So. I just hope he died soon. I don't like the judge ball. Why do you have to be the judge ball? Like, why do you have to be yourself? His name is the stupidest name as well. Oh god. Let's go. Please. No. Just die. Those things make him so hard to deal with. No! Yes! 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 I did it! Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll be in the next one. I hope we can do more Robo videos like this. I have to get off, and hope you guys enjoyed, and bye bye.